General information. Objectives. After completing this section, you will get familiar with the Airplane Flight Manual, DA-40 variants, certification basis, and airplane basic specifications and dimensions. Airplane Flight Manual. The Airplane Flight Manual contains all information needed for the safe and correct operation of the airplane, as required by the Joint Aviation Requirements 23, and any additional information the manufacturer deemed relevant. The AFM must always be kept on board. It should be stored in the side storage compartment unit, next to the front left seat. Throughout this computer-based training, and within the Airplane Flight Manual, you will find special statements, which concern the safety or operation of the airplane. These are warnings, cautions, and notes. A warning means that not observing the corresponding procedure can lead to an immediate or important reduction of flight safety. A caution means that not observing the corresponding procedure could lead to a minor or long-term reduction of flight safety. A note signifies an important piece of information that is not necessarily related to safety. DA-40 variants. The Diamond DA-40 is a single-engine, 4-seat, low-wing monoplane. The airplane has a cantilever wing and a T-tail design. It has a fixed tricycle landing gear. The DA-40 has a semi-monocoque structure, made from glass fiber reinforced plastic and carbon fiber reinforced plastic. This makes the plane very light and strong. There are multiple variants of the Diamond DA-40. Some of them have just small modifications compared to the initial model. There are also more significant and visible changes, such as a completely new engine, propeller, or landing gear. Not all versions are produced anymore, and therefore, not all are available for customers. Popular models include the DA-40, DA-40 XLT, DA-40NG, and DA-40D, TDI. The initial version of the airplane was the DA-40, which was certified in the year 2000. It had a 180 horsepower, 5.9-liter, Lycoming IO 360, M1A engine, and a maximum takeoff mass of 1,150 kilograms, or 1,200 kilograms. The DA-40 XLT was introduced in 2013, replacing a previous version, the DA-40 XLS. This version has a 180 horsepower Lycoming IO 360, M1A engine, and a maximum takeoff mass of 1,150 kilograms. The airplane has an upgraded interior. The DA-40D, TDI, was introduced in 2002 and comes with a 1.7 liters or 2.0 liters Thielert Centurion, TAE 125 diesel engine, generating 135 horsepower. The maximum takeoff mass is 1,150 kilograms. The airplane has a full authority digital engine control system. It was designed for the European market, but is also certified in Canada and Australia. This computer-based training will focus on the DA-40NG, the newest version of the DA-40. This version comes with an Austro AE300 turbocharged, common rail injected 2.0 liters, diesel engine with 168 horsepower. It has the highest maximum takeoff mass of all variants, 1,280 kilograms, or 1,310 kilograms. The airplane has a full authority digital engine control system. It can come with the G1000 integrated cockpit system installed. Certification basis. The Diamond DA-40NG was certified based on EASA procedures. The basis for certification is JAR 23, published on March 11, 1994, including Amendment 1, and any additional requirements, specified in Certification Review Items, A01. The DA-40NG is a single-engine airplane. When the operating limitations and maintenance requirements are complied with, it has the high degree of reliability, which is required by the certification basis. Nevertheless, an engine failure is not completely impossible. For this reason, flights during the night, under instrument meteorological conditions, or above terrain which is unsuitable for a landing, constitute a risk. It is therefore highly recommended to select flight times and flight routes such that this risk is minimized. Airplane basic specifications and dimensions. The length of the airplane is 8.06 meters. The span of the airplane is 11.63 meters. The height of the airplane is 1.97 meters. The wing has a Wortmann FX 63 13720 W4 airfoil with a mean aerodynamic chord of 1.171 meters. The wing area is 13.244 square meters. The wing aspect ratio is 10.223. The leading edge sweep is 1 degree. The dihedral angle is 5 degrees. The total area of the ailerons is 0.654 square meters. The total area of the wing flaps is 1.56 square meters. The horizontal tail has an area of 2.34 square meters. The elevator area is 0.665 square meters. The horizontal tail angle of incidence is minus 3.0 degrees relative to the longitudinal axis of the airplane. The vertical tail area is 1.60 square meters. The rudder area is 0.47 square meters. The landing gear wheelbase is 1.68 meters. The track is 2.97 meters. 3 view drawings with corresponding dimensions are presented on the screen. Click the buttons to view the corresponding drawings. Note: all dimensions, shown on the previous slides, are approximate. Summary. With this section, you got familiar with the Airplane Flight Manual, DA-40 variants, certification basis, and airplane basic specifications and dimensions.